Hi, this is Jameson playing with this new dump truck. What? Okay, I know you want it to go this way. Okay, so push it this way. Push it this way. There you go. There we go. See, now it doesn't go. Jameson loves his little dump truck. Say thank you, Timon. Thank you, Timon. Jameson, where are you going? Okay, what are you doing? He's been doing this for about 20 minutes now. Say hi, Jameson. Say hi. Say thank you, Timon. He likes to push it backwards because then the dumping part doesn't make him fall. Alright, we're gonna go now. Say bye-bye to Timon. Say bye-bye to Timon. Alright, we're gonna go. Alright, bye. Say bye-bye. Okay, now he's off again. Alright, bye.